Take a look at that beauty. It's huge. Okay, my friends, so I am getting ready to harvest some of my brassicas, specifically my cauliflower, broccoli, and cabbage. If you look behind me, I have a place that I like to grow my brassicas, and it's not in my garden. I like to grow them right next to my house that is south facing. It's a wonderful place to grow, and I can grow things a month or two earlier than anywhere else because the soil is a lot warmer close to my house. My house warms the soil about 10 to 15 degrees warmer. So I have a bunch of stuff to harvest. I usually harvest this stuff in May, but I planted a little bit late. But let me show you what is ready to harvest. I'm super excited. I love cauliflower and broccoli and cabbage. So let's go harvest. Okay, so here's one of my beauties. And it's funny because this is supposed to be a purple one and it has purple speckles in it. And I have some things that are almost ready. This will be harvestable really soon. Actually, I need to harvest the broccoli. This one is very, very soon. Actually, I'll probably harvest that today. That one needs a little more time. This broccoli needs to be harvested. Ooh, I might give that a couple more days. Some more broccoli. Another gorgeous cauliflower that needs to be harvested. You can also see the purple speckles in this one. And we got a cabbage that's close. I'm gonna give that a few more days. Actually, I think I'm gonna harvest this one today because I see holes in it and I'm suspecting earwigs. So I wanna get that before they eat it all. Okay, so I'm gonna harvest this beauty first. This one is huge. It's hard to tell in the picture. So I am going to cut the whole plant down since cauliflower will not grow any more cauliflower after this. But I'm first going to I'll cut the whole plant. Actually, I'm gonna pull it out. Okay. All right, take a look at that beauty. It's huge. Okay, so I did decide to harvest this just because I can see a lot of damage, which I suspect earwigs, because that's what I usually find when I push these open. So I'm gonna cut this. Oh yeah, I see hundreds of earwigs, so they are the culprit. So I don't know if you'll see right here, you can see so many earwigs. So I want to get this before they eat all of it. Beautiful head of cabbage. So I'm going to grab some more broccoli right here. Again, I'm just going to cut the broccoli head off. I'm not going to cut the whole plant out because broccoli will continue to grow sprouts for quite a while of broccoli off the sides. So really beautiful. It's not the tight broccoli that I usually grow. It got a lot of foliage, but it's still beautiful and looks delicious. More broccoli. Here you go. Beautiful. Okay, so here's another one. Doesn't really look that big, but this one is a smaller one. It's not quite as big as the last one I did, but still a good size. And it also has the purple speckles all over. Isn't that pretty? Now you can eat the foliage if you want. I'm not going to. I'm going to compost it, but it is edible. All right, here is another beautiful cauliflower. Look how beautiful. It has the speckles also. Okay, so here's what I got today. All right, there you go. So this is my harvest. Isn't that beautiful? I will definitely have more in a few days, but this is a great start.